Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my curly hair routine. This is my hair when I get out of the shower. If you want to see how I get my curls, keep on watching. So to start out, what I usually do is I go with a part down the middle. And then it's not like perfect down the middle with the rest, just down the middle in the front, but whatever is your natural part, you can go with that. And then I brush my hair. I've been using this not on my watch. It's an instant detangler, and I've been using this just because I feel like my hair is really tangled after the shower. I try to brush my hair in the shower, but sometimes it takes too long, so I'll just do it afterwards. And I'll just take like this amount and do it from the middle and to the bottom of my hair. And then I have a wide tooth comb, and I usually use this comb, and I use this one. I go in with this one after I've used this one. So I start from the bottom and then work my way up just to get all my tangles out. And I try to be gentle with my hair because I know sometimes it's hard if there's a lot of knots, but you kind of have to be patient with it. So the products I use are the Cantu products. I use the leave-in conditioner, and I use the curling cream. They just came out with this big one, and it's double the price, but it's $10.90. This one's $10.99, this one's $5.99, and I love them. So those are the products I use. I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I do both of my sides, and I start out probably with about this much and then just mix it everywhere. And I mostly put this, well, I put this everywhere basically, but I do it from the middle and to my ends. And then I also like to get my scalp. This is a heavier product, but I have very thick hair and it works very well for my hair. So if you have thinner hair, there's this, I don't know if this product would be that great for you, or maybe you could use less, but this is what I like to use. And I recently got a curly haircut, which was interesting because that was my first time getting a curly haircut. And so my hair's shorter right now, but I needed to cut off my dead ends because I had a good amount of, well, not dead ends, I had a good amount of split ends, and I know I needed to like get that taken care of if I wanted my hair to keep growing longer. It was just a little painful because my hair takes a long time to grow, and it was like if you pulled down the curl all the way to my butt, and now it's like a little bit above that because I think I cut off about 4 inches. So it was a little difficult for me to let go, but I knew I needed to do it to bring back some life into all of my curls. And I just like to really make sure that this is all through my hair. The leave-in conditioner. For me, this routine has really helped me with controlling my frizz and keeping my curls really intact. And then I use the coconut curling cream, and these all, by the way, smell amazing, and my hand is full of hair because my hair just is like it sheds when I do this. So I grab about this much and I just put some in my hair, and I like to go to the bottom and just scrunch it up. This is a little difficult sitting down, so I usually do it standing up, but we'll see how this works. And then I'll go over to the other side. I just put like a small amount into my hair first, and then I'll do my ends scrunched up. And I like to go through all of my hair, and then I like to do it upside down as well. I kind of just go back and forth and get it all in my hair, make sure it's everywhere. And then I usually just let my hair air dry, and I'll move it like from different sides just so there's air getting in different areas and all of that, so I have more body to my curl. But I also have used a diffuser. The diffuser I've used it's this Conair one, and I think it was like $20-25, and this is how it looks. It has a retractable cord, which I really liked because that's like a lot easier. So today I'm gonna be using my diffuser just because it'll speed up the process. Usually it takes me about probably 2 to 3 hours for my hair to dry, sometimes longer. Honestly, it takes a long time for my hair to dry. But I'm gonna be using the diffuser, and usually how I like to use this is I'll just try to heat up my hair as much as possible, flip it upside down, heat it up, and then I'll start going underneath and doing my curls like that. So I'm just gonna do that. So after I use the blow dryer, well, the diffuser, I like to, you can, if you want, or just leave it, you can separate some of your curls just so it's not like this one was like a huge clump in front, just to have like a little smaller one right there. My curls, I feel like a lot of times a lot of them don't bunch up very much, so I don't really do this very often, but sometimes I'll do it if I remember. If I don't remember, I usually don't do it, honestly. I really don't use the diffuser that much unless I have to. I usually like to let my hair air dry, just because for me, air drying my hair works the best, but if I want a quicker result, the diffuser works well. So this is the curly hair routine that works the best for me. I usually wash my hair probably every 3 to 4 days. It depends on you, whatever kind of texture you have. If your hair is more on the oily side, you probably have to wash your hair more frequently, but I can go a pretty long time. So I don't do this very often, and we used to get like both of the products that I use this size, and this is 16 ounces, and this would last me about 3 months, and this is when I was doing it a little bit more consistently as well, like probably keeping it to every 3 days, sometimes 2 days washing my hair, and this lasts me about 3 months. So this one will probably last me about 6 months just because it's twice the size. This one is, well, it's twice the size, but it's technically not twice the size because this is 25 ounces. So maybe a little less than 6 months, maybe 5.5 months. But these are the products I love. They're very budget friendly if you're looking for something for your everyday use. I know there's a lot of curling products out there, like curling creams and leave-in conditioners and just everything under the sun for curly hair. And a lot of them are pretty pricey. So this is what I found, and it works well for me. But I'll have everything linked below, so if you want to check out any of these products. I got these in Target, but I think you can get them almost anywhere. I've seen it in King Soopers as well if you're from Colorado. But if you have any questions about my routine or anything else, please comment below, and please like, share, and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.